Hello again. I have another fan today to show you. This is a Manning Bowman. There's a tag. It's in very good shape. It's like near mint condition. And it's made by McGraw Edison Co and the same folks that make the Eskimos. Got it for $5 at the flea market. It's like near pristine. But once again, this handle isn't original. So kind of looks like a shopping bag handle or something, but actually works pretty good. I mean, so far it hasn't come off. Here's a view of the back. See, the blades are pretty shiny, they're in real good shape. It's got kind of an off greenish color, kind of light green. Go ahead and fire this guy up. It's a single speed. Runs real smooth. This one's in a lot better shape than my Eskimo. Nice fan. Go ahead and turn it off. Once again, nice long spin down time. It's a good sign the motor's in good shape. And there you have it. Thanks again for watching. That's Manning Bowman. Bye for now.